What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a RC Racing Rally 1/24 scale drift car and we're about to unbox it. I'm sorry about the condition of the box, but Amazon delivered it without putting it in an Amazon box. And as you can see that there is some water damage on the box, but yeah, as long as the RC's okay, we're gonna send it. All right, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of
Welcome to noprosrc. Enemies.
Okay, welcome back. Come on, Amazon, you guys are better than this. So there's the actual RC car. I got the sky blue GTR model. Inside the box, we have this plastic bag, which comes with some cones. We got an extra battery, and we also have some grippy tread tires with wheels on it. Car. This is what it looks like underneath. Orange wheels, I don't know if I'm really feeling those. I think those should have been white, but I didn't design it, so it is what it is. Turning radius looks pretty good, but we'll find out how well it drifts. I'm not sure if this is four-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive, but we're gonna have to charge up the batteries to find that out. And here is the controller. So once I get that free, get everything set up, then we can actually take this bad boy out for a drifting session. So stand by.
A few moments later.
Alright, so there you have it, the 1/24 scale road racing rally drifter. I got it off of Amazon. The link will be down in the description below. I just had it on the table here because I don't have enough room on the floor, so yeah, if you had more space you could do better drifting. Once I get some more space going, I will definitely try to do some more demonstrations with it. But in the meantime, in between time, you'll just have to stay tuned. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Even if you don't like it, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It is absolutely free, so you have nothing to lose. Hit the subscribe button. We would appreciate your support, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos on the channel. Alright, and with that being said, I have held you guys up long enough. Enjoy your holiday weekend, no matter what you celebrate. It's all about family at the end of the day, and we will see you guys on the next one. Y'all be safe, y'all be easy. Peace.